In this video, I'll guide you through how to transfer money from HSBC to Monzo with ease. This process is straightforward, but ensuring you follow each step will make it even smoother. Let's start by getting both your HSBC and Monzo apps open on your phone. Having both apps ready at the same time will allow you to switch between them seamlessly, which is crucial for this transaction. Once you have both apps open, head over to the Monzo app. Here, you'll want to locate and tap on the Add Money option. This is where you'll initiate the process of transferring funds into your Monzo account. After selecting Add Money, you'll see a couple of options. Choose either Bank Transfer or Easy Bank Transfer. Both options will facilitate the transfer, but the Easy Bank Transfer might offer a more streamlined experience by guiding you through the process with a bit more automation. Next, you'll need to choose your bank from a list. Since we're transferring from HSBC, go ahead and select HSBC from the options provided. This selection is important as it ensures the Monzo app communicates correctly with your HSBC account. Now it's time to enter the amount you wish to transfer. Be sure to double check this amount to avoid any errors. Once you're confident with the amount entered, tap on Continue or Agree and Continue to proceed. At this point, you'll be redirected to the HSBC app. This redirection is a security measure to confirm the payment from your HSBC account. Log into your HSBC app using either your PIN or biometric verification, such as fingerprint or facial recognition. This step is essential for authorizing the transaction securely. Once logged in, follow the prompts to approve the transfer. This typically involves reviewing the transfer details and confirming that you want to proceed. After you've confirmed the transfer in the HSBC app, you'll be automatically redirected back to the Monzo app. Here, you should see the money added to your Monzo account almost instantly. This instant confirmation is one of the benefits of using these app-based banking services, providing both speed and convenience. And that's it. That's how to transfer money from HSBC to Monzo. By following these steps, you ensure a smooth and secure transfer process. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful in making your banking experience a little bit easier.